welcome back to our channel, and today we will be having another makeup vlog, and I'll be speaking in English. This will be my first video makeup tutorial wherein I'll be speaking in English, and I will speak normally since, you know, I'll be speaking normally. And I won't be talking too much on this video, so I'll just be showing you the procedure, the process, and I'll be using some products that I have shown you before. This will be a cut crease eyeshadow makeup tutorial, but I'll be doing a full face. And as of now, I just applied my facial oil, which is the ordinary, and then I just use my Vaseline lip balm. So if you want to know, or if you want to see what will be the outcome of this makeup tutorial, please go ahead and watch. That's pretty much it. And like what I've said, I will not be talking too much. I will just explain the process, so this video won't take long. And don't forget to click subscribe, the like button, and if you have comment suggestions or recommendations, you can comment it below. Thank you very much for supporting, and enjoy! Final look for our makeup tutorial for today. I don't know, I think I was able to pull it off. And ayun, tinanggal ko yung lip tint. I did this because it's too glossy for me, and I think that's not totally good. That's why I did this. And as you can see here, we have the light blue color, and then we have the darker shade of blue, so we used powder, and then we also used the liquid. And that's it. I also put the blue one over here on my tear duct, and also here below the eyes. So this is the final look. I hope that this is good looking for everybody because it's good looking for me. I hope you enjoyed this video makeup tutorial. And if you have some requests, you can, like what I've said, you can comment it down below. You can see I even put an earring that I just borrowed because I don't have this kind of earring. I hope you can still support me with it. So I'll see you again soon, and thank you for supporting me always. So bye bye.